Yeah, I do. Yeah, okay.
That's why she's still her.
Y'all watch it real close.
I don't play anymore. I got to like 180 and I couldn't get it.
Maybe I better move on.
Nah, I'm thinking it.
I know.
But I got a headache.